This video is part of a series of videos showing you how to use Audacity, Recycle and Reason to make a sampled beat. We've recorded audio into Audacity from a turntable, and we've chopped it up in Recycle. In this video I'll be showing you how to take your files that have been created in Recycle and use them inside Reason. Welcome back. If you've been able to sit through the terrible audio, because I didn't realize how low I was recording, because I was trying to keep all this terrible echo from this room out of the audio, but unfortunately all I achieved to do was make some of the most inaudible videos. But I'm really sorry about that. I hope you can actually pick up something from some of the other tutorials I've done, and we can carry on with our project. As you can see, I went back into Audacity and I selected a few more files and I chopped them up in Recycle. I ended up mercilessly just chopping up one piece into, I don't know, about 1,000,000 slices. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to make the beat during a screencast. I may just have to show you how to load everything up, and then I'll see if I can come up with something, and then maybe let you listen to the beat that I came up with a little bit later, or maybe even just actually do a video of me making the beat instead of a screencast, because I don't know how long that'll take. Anyway, so we've got our Rex files, and we're ready to go over into Reason. So we're gonna open up Reason. So I'm not going to go straight into the part where you make the beat. I'm just going to talk about how you can open the Rex file in Reason. Right. So the most this is just set this to loop, and maybe take our tempo down. So the most obvious of devices that you can use a Rex file with is, of course, the Dr. Rex loop player. So open up the Dr. Rex loop player, and we're going to open up one of our Rex files here. Let's go to the desktop, and we'll take the first Rex file that we made. There you have it. And then when you have it in the Rex file, of course, you can always... Okay, I get what the problem was. There we go. That's what was causing my audio to echo. Alright, so of course you can just preview, and it's playing faster. Okay, we'll start with this. I'll probably do a couple of videos just going through what you can do with the Rex files. So you have it playing a little bit faster in here, and of course you can turn up the pitch per chop or per slice. So you've got you can set the pitch. Maybe you want to pitch it up so it works a little bit better. Pitch it up by 2 semitones. Here, go to the next slice, pitch it up. Go to the next slice, pitch it up. Go to the next slice. So on and so on. Just until we get to the very end. You can see what it sounds like. Okay, and then we can just preview that. See, it's pitched up and it's playing good. It's looping up nicely. So in the Dr. Rex loop player, you have your amp envelope and your filter envelope, and the thing is that it, these parameters affect the entire loop, right? Or your filter and your LFO, they affect the entire loop, right? Sometimes that's not what you want to do. Sometimes you want a little bit more control over your loops. So we're gonna work. I'm gonna open up another device. I'm not so familiar with working with the Rex files on this device, but you're going to be amazed that the only instruments in Reason that cannot open Rex files, of course, the synths like the Subtractor, Thor, and Maelstrom. Otherwise, the N19, the NNXT, the Dr. Rex loop player, and the REDRUM can all open Rex files. So we go over into the NN19, and then we're going to open up that same loop. So we got it in, and then we have it playing on the keys right here. It's playing on the keys. So basically, this is why I don't use this, because one, I have absolutely no clue what does what. I know this can set up like your root key and such, and then you can start tweaking the various chops. Let's just check this out. Oh, okay, that's cool. So you can actually also just import individual slices to keys. I guess you'd set up which key you're going to import the slice to, and then you can just open it using this little file opening icon over there. Okay, and of course you've got your your envelope, your filter, and your LFOs and everything, and you can do all your filtering right here. And I guess this is probably similar to the NNX T's ability to get part of the sample to loop. So I don't know, maybe if we pick the first one. Oh my goodness, I've actually never used this. Well, I really don't. I'm not so familiar with using this, to be honest. But you can basically see that you can play around with it, and and figure out what special things you can do. Okay, so we select something there. Manage to select a key, and I guess then it makes it loop over and over. I'm just holding down the key and it's looping. But as far as I can see, there's no way to set the in and out point of the loop, which kind of sucks. So we'll go over into the next device, and we'll do that in the next video.